Number 13, in interval notation, what is x is less than or equal to 9? Interval notation, your first number is always the number to the furthest left, the smallest number. The next number is always where it ends to the far right. So in this case, if we think of this, we're talking, here's 9. We're talking numbers smaller than 9 or equal to it. So it includes it, but it's everybody going that way. Now, what number is over here to the far left? Well, that'd be negative infinity is what the furthest over there to the left, because this does keep going to the left forever. So it starts over here and it stops where? At positive 9. Now, it includes 9, so we put a bracket. A bracket means it includes it. Infinities and negative infinities always get a parenthesis because you can't include them because they're a concept, an idea. So there's the interval notation for number 13. Number 14, if the function x is equal to negative 2 times x squared, what is f of negative 1? So we're just putting in negative 1, getting an answer. Get that answer, plug back in. Get that answer, plug back in. So let's just do this inner piece first, figure out f of negative 1. So if I plug in negative 1 here, it's going to be negative 2 times, don't forget, parentheses. Okay, if you're squaring any negative number, you got to put parentheses. Negative 1 squared is 1. Negative 2 times that, negative 2. So this just is negative 2. So we have an f of negative 2 we want to plug in. And once we get that answer, we're going to plug that in again. So let's now evaluate this f of negative 2. So the function, we're just plugging in here again. Negative 2 times a negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 2 times that's negative 8. So now we're just evaluating an f of negative 8. We'll have our answer. So it's negative 2 times whatever they give us, which is negative 8 squared. Negative 8 squared is 64. Negative 2 times that, negative 128. So that's our answer for 14. 15, okay, composition of functions sort of here. We're plugging in, it's the idea. So it's just saying, hey, instead of f of 1 and plugging 1 into this x, it wants you just to take 3x minus 4 and plug it into that x. No problem. 4, I just replace the x with whatever it gives me. It usually gives you a number, but if it doesn't, you put whatever they gave you, which was 3x minus 4. And then right here, we still got to subtract 4. So I simply replace that x with this right here. That's all it's saying to do. So now I need to distribute my 4 through. 4 times 3, 12x. 4 times 4, minus 16, then minus the 4. So 12x minus 20. There's your answer to 15.